Hello guys, it's Oxana and today I want to show you how to make such a rotating and very effective mini album. This album is very easy to make and I'm sure you and your children will really like it. In my project I use the March main kit, pocket life kit and embellishments, cardstock kits and exclusive April cut file butterfly. All cut files you can get after registering as a member on the hipkitclub.net. So to create such a mini album you will need cardstock with the following sizes and quantities as shown. And this piece will be for rotating cylinder, and to fix the wall and the base between we need 4 pieces of cardstock in the following sizes as shown. And next step for the photos, prepare 8 cardstock with sizes 10 by 15 centimeters. So for starters, prepare the walls of our base. Decorate walls with scrapbook paper, and its size is 5 millimeters smaller on each side, and I want to make the top of the walls rounded, so use a compass to draw a circle. To do this, find the middle of the smallest side is 7.25 millimeters and lay it down on both sides. Connect the two resulting points, and the middle of the resulting line is the center of our circle, and cut out. Next step, we need to cut a circle on each of the two walls where we will place the cylinder for rotation using the circle die. My circle die diameter is 5 centimeters, and we need do the same steps with the second wall. And I don't really like smooth edges, so I decided to crush them a little. Try on the base, and using 2 pieces of cardstock 20 by 6 centimeters and 2 pieces of cardstock 14.5 by 6 centimeters, glue our walls to the base. And these 4 pieces you should score in half and cut off the excess. And for this, two pieces of cardstock score from both sides 1.5 centimeters for gluing. Decorate the front and back panel with scrapbook paper. Also using the double side tape, we glue our walls to the base. And it remains to make a cylinder from the remaining cardstock. Just put it in a tube and glue it. The required diameter is slightly less than 5 centimeters, so that the cylinder rotates well. And the next step, we glue our cardstocks for photos, which sizes are 10 by 15 centimeters. And for this, we need to score from the smaller side 2 centimeters, and this is the place for gluing on our cylinder, and decor it with scrapbook paper, and repeat these steps for other 7 pieces. And we start to glue all these 8 pieces to the cylinder. about the decoration, I think you can do it without my comments, and so you can scroll the video to the end and see the final result of the decoration. And thank you so much for your attention, and if you have any questions, I will be happy to answer them. Bye bye.